Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This Dart has got electrical issues. It's got lots of electrical issues, things like this, and the voltage regulator is just kind of screwed in back there, and there's wire nuts. One of the largest failures with these old cars is most of the electrical systems, full current goes back through the firewall over here. Right there. So power comes out of the charging system, goes through the firewall and into the cab. Headlights, everything. And they get old, they wear out, and they burn up. Newer cars, they learned their lesson. They move the fuse box and relay panel to under the hood. So we're going to do the same thing here. Seems a nice spot is right here. I'll move the electronic ignition up. I'll take the voltage regulator, which is way over there, bring it over, and then I'm going to take this guy and mount it probably either back here and then have the ignition and voltage regulator, or the other way around. This is a waterproof enclosure that comes with 6 relays and 6 fuse slots. So I'm going to put this in. I'll use one relay for the radiator fans, another relay probably for the headlights. I could even do the horns and things like that. The point being that I'm going to start moving systems that are old and crappy wire and miswired out of the car and start plugging them into this. The first circuit I'll be moving is that radiator fan, but I got to get this mounted. So let's get started with that. Because I'm not 100% positive of the angles in there, I've decided to make a cardboard template first. I'll fold this up, we'll see how it fits, and if it works out, then we'll cut some metal. So we're going to put this guy right about here, and then this will sit right about there. That's going to leave space for the ignition module and the voltage regulator. Let's go cut and fold one. From a fit perspective, this looks really good, so we're going to make this out of aluminum. I found a sheet of, looks like about 18 gauge over in my scrap pile. So we're going to fold it into this, but because it's only 18 gauge, it's fairly thin, and I'd like to have some edges here that aren't going to cut you. We'll probably extend out here and roll these back under. So maybe this entire edge will extend over and fold back. Same thing here, here. This one isn't as necessary, but we might do it anyway, just to make this a little thicker and stronger. And we've got it all folded up. Needs to be cleaned a little, but you can see I folded these edges over. Gives a nice finished edge here, here. So we're not scratching ourselves or cutting ourselves up on anything. So it's going to sit in the vehicle like this. This and this give you access to the holes for bolting it to the car. And this, all of our wiring comes through the bottom here. So it's going to sit just about like that. And that gives us room for our electronic control module and our voltage regulator. We'll go get this mounted, mount this, and then wire up our fan. Running this power is actually going to be a little bit complex. I'm going to put in a distribution block and some other things to make it look right, make it a little bit easier to use. So we'll save that for another video. So we're done for today. Thanks for watching.